None of this would have happened if
Okay, so in this video we are going to make this type of AI inspired shake. Okay, so first of all open IVY app. So as you can see, I already created a project with full arrangements. So there is only one step now, adding the shake. Okay, so come to the first layer and click it. Click effect, click add effect. Now come to the shake option and you can see a twitch option there. So add the twitch option. And now in the amount section, add 3 keyframes as you can see in this video. Okay, now come to the first keyframe and make it 30. Okay, now come to the last keyframe, make it 30. Now scroll down, make the light 100. Okay, and now come back to the amount section, add these 2 graphs. Okay, and now the shake is ready. Yeah, fine. Now add effect, come to the light option and add exposure. Okay, come to the intensity, add 2 keyframes. Come to the first keyframe, make it around 50 or something. It's up to you, but I will recommend 50. And now add a graph. A basic graph is enough. Okay, now our shake is ready. Now click 3 dots and copy all effects. Now paste this shake in all the layers. Okay, fine. Now let's play the video.
none of this would have happened if you would just listen to me.
If you even cared, you'd actually be here.
Come on now. Okay, fine. So the video is ready, the shake is ready, everything is ready.
If you even cared, you'd actually be here.
So for exporting this video, click the export button and export the video in the maximum quality. And now let's check the result.